Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. Some lands are made of jewel flames, covered with clouds of flames, the radiance of the jewels superb. All comes from results of acts. Some are born of subtle forms with various features adorning the ground, like crowns holding all jewels. These come from the Buddha's work. Some are born from the ocean of minds, existing according to what the minds understand. Like illusions, they have no locus. All are mental constructions. Some are made of the precious light of the Buddha's aura. All the Buddhas appear therein, each producing miracles. Some universally good, enlightening beings produce various oceans of lands, adorned by the power of their vows, all exceptionally sublime. Then the enlightening being, universally good, also said to the great congregation, "Know that the oceans of worlds have various adornments. Some are adorned by all ornaments producing beautiful clouds, some by explanations of the virtues of all enlightening beings, some by explanations of the rewards of actions of all sentient beings, some by revelations of the ocean of vows of all enlightening beings, some by representations of the images of all Buddhas of past, present, and future, some by the spheres of occult powers revealing boundless eons in a single moment, some by production of all Buddha bodies, some by production of fragrant clouds of all jewels, some by radiant lights showing the wonderful things in all enlightenment scenes, some by illustrations of the practices and vows of all universally good ones. There are as many such adornments as atoms in an ocean of worlds." Then to repeat, universally good, Then to repeat, universally good, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "The vast oceans of lands are boundless. All are made from pure action, with various adornments and various abodes. They fill all 10 directions. Clouds of jewel flames of boundless forms, vast arrays of adornments, not the same, always appear in all oceans of lands, radiating subtle sounds, expounding the truth.